Present advice to help you lose weight and keep it off. Even though there is an endless amount of information out there about weight loss, a lot of people don't even understand the basics, as in how to effectively change their diets. Before you attempt to lose weight, make sure you have the right information. Check out these great weight loss tips. An often overlooked way to successfully lower your weight is to eliminate stress. Stress often disrupts the body's ability to digest food and process nutrients correctly, so by eliminating stress you help your body be more efficient. Meditation and yoga are highly recommended for stress reduction to help return your body and mind to their optimal states. If you want to lose weight, try drinking water anytime you're thirsty rather than any other type of drink. Water will help speed up your metabolism, as well as purify any toxins in your system. There also aren't any calories in water, so it helps your body lose weight. Drinking sodas or sugary juices just add more calories to your daily intake. If you already walk for weight loss, here is a simple tip to easily boost your results. Start adding short bursts of jogging at regular intervals during your walking routine. This extra effort will burn more calories, and you will finish your route a little more quickly. The extra impact will help to strengthen your bones, also. Shedding excess pounds and keeping your muscles in shape may lengthen your life. Your heart will have to work less to carry blood around your body, minimizing stress on your circulatory system. This measure, along with regular exercise, can reduce your risk of developing more serious problems later on in your life. Feeling hungry causes us to eat. Eating causes us to gain weight. Feeling full reduces our feeling of hunger. So a way to lose weight is to full more often. One way you can trick your body into feeling full more often is by eating spicy foods that have more capsaicin in them, such as foods lightly spiced with cayenne or jalapeno pepper. No need to overdo it, just enough to burn a little will do fine. Lose more weight by drinking your snacks. When you are having a craving, try to have some soup or a natural fruit smoothie. These foods will help you feel less full at meals, and will give you the calories you need to be able to make it through those midday cravings. Follow a diabetic diet even if you don't have diabetes when you are on a weight loss plan. Even if you are not diabetic, you can benefit from cutting most of the sugar out of your diet. Diabetic diets are also low in carbohydrates and you will eat more protein. The key to weight loss is taking everything in moderation. The goal is to stop excessive overindulgence. A small amount of saturated fat and carbohydrates is acceptable. Do not try to completely remove enjoyable foods from the diet. Instead, choose smaller portions and moderate the intake of unhealthy items that are not beneficial. A great way to help you lose weight is to use the more rigorous cardio equipment at your gym. There is a lot of different equipment, but they're not all equal in terms of how many calories they burn. Machines like the Stairmaster and elliptical burn a lot of calories. As stated at the beginning of this article, few people even realize the basic premise of weight loss, and thus they're failing miserably at their diets. It's getting to the point that many people feel diets are a failure before they even start them. Use what you've learned throughout this article to change your mindset and ultimately your life.